morning student. Today we study 9th standard science biology chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. Chapter name is fundamental unit of life, the part 1. So fundamental unit andre enta. What is the meaning of fundamental units of life? So you know already what is the life. If you take example as a human beings, in their life what they contain. If they take as a body of human body, if they have a 2 hands, 2 legs, hearts, respiration system, digestion systems, blood, then physical fitness, something you know already. Then this is fundamental unit. Fundamental unit means there is small unit of life. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೇಚರ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೌ ದೇ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ and what their function. So we study in this chapter that. So first there is a honeycomb. It has a little components. So honeycomb nodidira, honeybee. What is mean honeybee? Honeybee jeenona. Honeycomb jeenugudu. So honeycomb has a little components. Honeycomb ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? So imagine this is a honeycomb. So this honeycomb has a small little components. This is a one component and this is another one. Then this is a small component structure. So he in 1965 Robert Hooke made a microscope. Here there is one name. Who is what's the name? The scientist Robert Hooke. He is a scientist. He made a cell or microscope based on cell. He made up of cell. So based on the honeycomb structure. He invented the cell structure based on honeycomb because this honeycomb has a little component structure. So he imagined it. The cell is a contain also little components. So through that he discovered the cell. So in this chapter we study what is cell, what type of cells are there, and something etc. etc. So in 1965 Robert Hooke made a microscope. In ಮಾಡಿದಂತೆ Robert Hooke ಒಂದು microscope ಅನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ್ರು. In that he saw a small boxes of any substance. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. You can't imagine. So I will draw some that. So small boxes. So he called that structure as a cell. So cell. So who invented cell? The cell is discovered by the Robert Hooke when in 1965. This is important for one more. Then later the Leeuwenhoek, he is one of the scientists. Actually microscope is invented by the Leeuwenhoek, but he made as a sample. He is a self-designed one microscope because he want to see the cells of the substance. ಆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ಒಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ established by Leeuwenhoek. So what does it mean cell? Cell is the word, it comes from the Latin word. It's a Latin language. Cell and a Latin language. It comes from the Latin word. What is the meaning of the cell? Cell means a little room. Have you heard ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜೈಲಿನ ಸೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Why we call ಜೈಲನ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Because jail it contains small rooms for each person. So ಅದೇ basis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು cell means a little room. So here one structure. In contains structure ಅಲ್ಲಿ some box, ಆ box ಮಧ್ಯೆ some ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ some dots. Have you seen onion? Take an onion. I will give one activity. Take onion. ಒಂದು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So peel the onion through its portion. Onion ನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ತೆಗೆದು take one piece inner side of the concave side of the onion. Onion ನ inner concave side and inner side. ತೆಗೆದು you have to cut it small and peel it. Just our inner side na one peel thing, and take a glass slide. There is a glass slide. Microscope has a glass slide. Microscope nodidiralla. So I will do in class. So microscope, take a glass slide, then place on onion peel. Onion peel anna microscope mele idi. Then add a 2-3 water drop. Water drop an haki. Then avoid water bubbles. ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ air bubbles or ನಿಲ್ಲದಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that means they should flat. ಯಾವುದು onion peel. Then observe on a microscope. ಅದನ್ನು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ? That contains this type of a cell. Is it like a pink color? What is the onion color? It's a purplish pink, alva. So it shows in microscope is that color. So here there is this is a one cell, it is another cell. It contains one nucleus. ಏನಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So I draw this. So this is a nucleus and cell. So this is just introduction of the life. ಯಾವುದು cell ನ introduction. Next to study what are the structure of the cell. ಈ cell ಯಾವ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತದೆ? What is the structure? So you know already told in introduction. What has a Robert Hooke? He saw a cell as a small boxes or a components, right? These small components ಆಗಿ ಅವನನ್ನ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. So he saw as a cell in a small structure. Now structure idike it has a small structure. Then he next later the Robert Hooke ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? Each and every substance in a cell anna structure anna identify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. In some case it contains some organism has single cell and some other has multi cell. That means some organism contains a single cell and some organism contains a multi cell. That means the organism has only one cell. ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಗೆ one cell ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸೆಲ್, so more than one cell, that contain a multi-cell organism. So later we study multicellular organism. What are multicellular organism? What is single cell organism? So there is a unicell. Unicell means the single cell. Ishtuntu only cell only the organism which contain only one cell. One cell idrone entante karitare unicell, and it is also called as a single cell. Example, what is this? Amoeba. Example yavadu? Amoeba. Next another one is a multicell. Multicells and yavadu? The organism which contain more than one cell. So more than one cell. ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸೆಲ್. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್? ಫಂಗೈ, then plant, then animal. So these three organisms are like multicell. So what is multicell? Here the diagram. this is like one, like small rod. It has a one nucleus. So these type of cell is a smooth muscle cell. ನಮ್ಮ muscle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ cell ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Then if you see the brown circle, then it is some dots. So this is a blood cell. Then you like a branches, like 3 branches. So this is a nerve cell. And this one is a bone cell. So particular body part is a particular type of the cell. So various kind of animals have different cells. So the shape and size of the cell depend upon the function of the cell. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ನ ಶೇಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೈಜ್ ಯಾವುದರ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತದಂತೆ? The shape and size of the cell which depend upon the function of the cell. ಯಾವುದು function? Some smooth muscle cell. Muscles they can active, they can join or stretch, relief, or taking things, writing, dancing, something, running, etc. What is the function of the blood cell? Blood cell ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? It transport the blood. Blood ಅನ್ನು transport ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Produce blood. Then nerve cell. What is it? Nerve cell. Have you seen nerve? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ almost ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. So here, it's a green or bluish color cell. There's a nerve cell. So what are the function of nerve cell? The nerve cell, it is a producer, transfer the message from brain to whole part of the body. ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಬಾಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ನರ್ವ್ ಸೆಲ್. Then bone cell. The function of the body is a bone cell function. Bone cell ನ function ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? The bone cell which is join the bones and it helps to sing, muscle cell, stretching, etc. So here the shape and size of the cell depends upon the function of the cell. So each cell has a specific components with it. That is called as a cell organelles. Cell organelles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ತರ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಇನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಸೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ cell organelles. Have you know about mitochondria, Golgi's, then some cytoplasm. So something kind of parts or components are there in the cell. So the cell has a specific components is called as a cell organs. So which making a cell and clearing the waste. In particular cell components. So cell components ali one component is making a cell. It increases the shape and size of the cell. And another one is clearing the waste. And someone is making food for them. And some other components is converted food as energy. So each and every component has a certain function. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿನ components ಗೆ function ಇರ್ತದೆ. So it has some examples of making cell, clearing waste. I will give just example. So these are called as cell organelles. Then the together of the cell organelles constitute basic unit is called as a cell. Cell organelles in a togetherness of a constitute units. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಂತ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಲ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲ್? ಹೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್? Cell is discovered by the Robert Hooke. How? Because based on his honeycomb structure. The structure of honeycomb is a small little component. Then what is cell? Cell is a small component structure or box-like structure. Then where the word cell comes from? Ilina word, yava word ina bantu? It comes from language. Which language? Latin. It comes from the Latin language, which means a little root. Then we study the onion peel. Onion peel ಅನ್ನ peel ಮಾಡಿ microscope ಅಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರ cell component ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ. So what that the cell like look like a boxes and it has a nucleus and more so many cells, right? Then we studied the structure of the cell. ಯಾವ ತರ structure ಇರ್ತದೆ already you know box like. Then unicell and multicells. Unicell means the cell organism which contain only one cell, and multicell means the organism contain more than one cell. Alva? What the example? Example for unicell is amoeba. Then example for the multicell is the fungi, plants, animals, etc. So next study is the different types of cells. We give just examples: bone cell, muscle cell, blood cell, etc. The shape and function of this shape and size of the cell depends upon the function of the cell. Next one, the each cell has a specific components. The cellular specific components that is together is called as a cell organelles. Cell nalliruva specific component and together again karitave cell components. Cell organelles. The together of cell organelles has a constant basic unit. Cell organelles in a togetherness and constant unit and enanta karitare. This is called as a cell. Next class we study the details of the about cell. Thank you.